Konrad Salma, Konrad Salma, Konrad Salma, Preston Tunsang, Preston Tunsang.
This is DC West Jaintia Hills along with the SP West Jaintia Hills. Today, many farmers from Lapangap came towards Shillong to air their grievances to the government. After intense discussions which have happened with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in the presence of Chief Secretary Sir, Principal Secretary, IG Madam, IG Sir, as well as with SP Sir, and me, myself, and the representative from various student organizations, as well as the headman of Lapangap. Amongst the discussions, what the key points have come out based on the demands or the grievances of the people, that starting from tomorrow onwards, the deployment of the SFN would be deployed in addition to the existing forces which are there, though which are already equal in number. Second, we will be discussing at the highest level of the government through Deputy CM Sir and the CM Sir. The matter will be taken by today itself. At the district level, me as well as SP Sir will be going tomorrow on the field to ensure that the cultivation starts well in the progress, and to ensure that the peace and everything is there. Also, in the upcoming days, the peace committee would be handling again. And with regard to the negotiations that have not happened so far, because the Assam government has been formed recently, and the chairman of the regional committee at the Assam side is yet to be decided. So by tomorrow onwards, once the negotiation gets happen, I believe and I firmly believe that the peace would be restored, and from our side, the cultivation would be happening and the grievances of the people would be aired out. Thank you.
We will not accept. We will not accept. Well, I'm very clear. Loud and clear. So very loud and clear. Last year, the 144 CRPC has been imposed only for Lapangap. This year we will not accept.
1 minute.
Am I right or wrong? Don't talk about
Thank you. See, from Meghalaya police side, our job is to ensure that the safety and security of our farmers is maintained at any cost. So we are working towards that. We will ensure you that let us go back to our village and start our farming from tomorrow.
tomorrow itself.
Yes, sir. So I would request all of you who are here that let us go back. You have already spent a lot of time here, and government has listened to all your demands. Necessary instructions have been issued to us. So I would request all of you to let us go back and start our work in field from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Lilang yang audisi dan penciu untuk hadin ketua kelas tapi lah siapa tu ipi tak hadin bom biok tapi lipuk di rap kamu jolek dawan Indonesia ini dia yang lewat chong meeting bom deputy chief minister kami uman le lokal MLA US Dhar hata ke office yang jing em lang yang ki chief secretary yang SPDC kamu jolek yang guru sakar em dan lilang yang government dak ga assurance untuk wadau bu pulit dik-dik SF10 kamu di situ ke polis ku strong na benta ya dai pi ulai po lai rep pi cita jela pengap teneliang yang sarkar le da igoi kata assurance kejing penting kena tok na dom step daw double triple kejing bun yang dipulit ke ya dai pi helai rep yang pi tai hala pengap kata to assurance teneliang yang sarkar wi chong ita po office support secretariat teneliang disisar rengkat USP DKI kita assurance wato wa nado mestep chanai neliang yang pi gidong chong la pengap daw yo pi kata kajing yada ko kerpang wat neliang yang NGO giwa represent gidong chong yang pi ko emlang ni time meeting bisnya wato wa nado mestep kesengi nado ni step le neliang SP na kanao to di deploy gi de pen pro gi kita polis ku sta cepo la pengap tente daw pa ba kini man ngam ga jing pentip cepi man gua jai ni phak na liang yang government ka kwa ko krek ni bentayong pi yu kita assurance cepi kandang yo pi urep kamaju rep man snem
Mistep hi.
mestep
Abi ke abi.
mestep ta jai dan liang government de kita assurance tak ndo mestep chief kile ya ketu hejo ipor le apa ba ketu ka kini ke kam yang di polis ku empok cenong pi dan yang government le daragi yu kenriak ga le cenong pi cai tu sa nom betul sering ni yang kesokar cepen thor ni ba le yu gi pi kate kajing ada ko kerpang ni mentai mit wisni dan yang government le dan yang government le daw implement kita pengkerekam gi kata kanat ko ganyan government daw pengkerekam gi katakan night curfew. Jadi sing night curfew to yulat kini gi karbi ulai ben prai heli yang pi. Parpi dan ni penar na pengap ni tak pat miok ulai di match tau rapi. Kata sin jam de chim yang government ni benta wow. Ga jing da ya pi gidong chong. Dan ni tei daw ini liang yang ini NGO bai ba da em lang rupi la da sorka himle gamte daw chim de wi ruti.
Boy ka naik curfew il pengap kanin snem.
Oh le de kelam gini, de kelam gini.
Petan me peta gidi. Boy ka naik curfew kanin snem il pengap.
Bila asnya yang kita wajibkan ng SP sar pat DC sar ti ngin le kumni lada gitu kejing dawang gijongi pat kejing pensyanya kaliang jong SP pat DC lada kim orang ngin sawan sesepolsya ni biar ngin page wa ya kaya bagi kular ini wah biang ngin page kaya bagi kular ini lada kile tekabiang lada kimle ngin sawan sesepolsya ngot ani segi hajar ngot ani na patapan kibin ya kaya kejing dawang kejong pi kinong rep biang kepa di pi pangway ba pin mi dan buram nang ni wat pentot ya kaya kejing jong giwai ki pet ba ki bayar yung tinang ni naga kepala sekretariat pin le segi ngi sem jong pi ba pin nado le sai gaski pin le rep kumba sai le rep biang maju perang kublai sibon ya pi baik ba telah di lima koran buram te langsung sayang sesem jong pi
nakaliang kata nakaliang ngingek kami bahkan kejing berpuar kedai tang kampen be bat kampoi hi sai kata kejing keren nak bentak kejing sok kedai tang kaboy ne kejing kajing senti jong no na mentah menora kata kejing sok klim dadon kata kanu
tan nakaliang keseng kai pat kalada ka sarkar kamla bensim yakni rai nakaliang keseng kai kapat ka bang sinjam
nakaliang keseng hi lada ka sarkar hi kam ai kanu rai kam ai kanu juap bat kam ai hi kata ka sok sain ya kado basang lo pengap di bai jong ka than borok away nakaliang keseng sa sim da kanu ka sinjam ka batang na benta banyada lane bat penyo ya ka hok jong binong kyok la pengap bat ka than borok away
No, like this, the people of Lapangap village and some of the NGOs met me about this Lapangap issues. So there is some things happening for the last few days. So about now it's a time to go for the farmer has it's a time to go to cultivate their land. So there is some disturb from the Karbi side. So about the issue they met me. So we had a very fruitful and good meeting with them. So but I showed them from the government we try to do at our level best to protect our people. Peace should be maintained as usual.
Sir, this
Actually, today is not about our issue. They are coming and discussing about this, their livelihood, which are a part of the village Lapangap, which has been normal for the last so many years, have been cultivated paddy field in the Karbi side. That this is not about our issues, it's their state level subject. So today they came and request us, so it seems some of the Karbi people disturb them. So we are assured that we'll provide them full force from tomorrow onwards. So make sure the cultivate should be nicely, nobody should disturb.
Sir,
will you also take up this matter with counterparts?
No, obviously, you see, because as of now we had discussed this, so both the DC will discuss first, and even they had discussed this last few days also. So there is some more to be discussed. So, and even since the government of Assam has formed the new government yesterday itself, so obviously our chief minister has told me that he will discuss this issue even with the honorable chief minister of Assam also.
sir, to be there, and whether these issues.
Yielding up all together because it's along the border. So we are waiting as soon as the government of Assam appoint the new chairman of the regional committee from that side. So we will take a call. We will meet the other counterpart in the appropriate time.